Good morning class, this is Sonal, and in today's video I will tell you some instructions related to your online revision test. And in Ojaswini ma'am's place, today I will give you some instructions about your online test, and I will let you know how to prepare for your exams and what are some things you need to follow while your exams and things you need to do while studying. So here are some instructions for you to follow to prepare for your revision test. So you will get 25 questions for 25 marks in school year online exam section, and you have to study each block properly, and while studying the block you need to underline important sentences and difficult words. Okay, and please don't study only from content book. You need to study from your workbook and notebook too, and also learn from did you know and glossary, because questions can be given from did you know and glossary too, and from workbook and your notebook. So read everything from your content book, workbook and notebook. And to prepare better, you can watch teaching video and discussion video again if you have confusion in any topic. And one important thing, that don't do your test in a hurry. Take your time, read every question properly and then tick the suitable answer. And let's prepare for your test with me. I am giving you an example. Similarly, you need to prepare with from all the blocks. Okay. You can see block 1, evolution of humans. So some questions can be given in picture form. For example, observe this picture and answer that which one of them is Neanderthal man. And such options are given like second from the left, first from the left, third from the left. In this way you need to tick the suitable answer. But remember, some questions can be given in picture form. And while reading the paragraph, don't forget to underline important things. And while reading, make questions by yourself from those lines, because you will get objective questions. So you need to read every line properly. For example, the age of human. If you are reading the age of humans, so you need to read very carefully. Many historical sources suggest that modern humans evolved on Earth around 2 million years ago. About how million years ago modern humans were evolved on Earth? So the correct answer is 2 million years ago. Fossils, which are the remains of humans like bones, teeth and skulls. So from this line such question can be asked like remains of humans like bones, teeth and skulls are called. Correct answer is fossils. Try to make questions while reading. Okay. And using these fossils, scientists could study changes that took place in humans over many years. These changes made up the different stages of human evolution. It is because of human evolution that we are able to walk on 2 feet. Based on scientific studies, it was discovered that humans evolved from a group of animals called primates. So in this line we can make question like from which group of animals humans evolved. So the correct answer is primates. Primates were the first group of animals that had features such as a large brain, more flexible hands and legs with nails on their fingers. So we can make question like, which were the first group of animals? Answer is primates. And what are the features of primates? And many options are given. You need to take in the correct option. Humans first evolved in the continent of Africa. Which continent? Continent of Africa. Humans were first evolved. Our human ancestors looked like apes. So do you know what is the meaning of ancestors? So you need to read from glossary, because questions can be given from glossary too. So ancestors are our forefathers or ancestors from whom we have descended. Next paragraph. As the climate gradually became much colder, most of our ancestors could not survive. Those who could adapt to the changing climate evolved into the early groups of humans, Homo habilis and Homo erectus. So we can make question like, which were the early groups of humans? Answer is Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Next, Homo habilis. Homo means human and habilis means skillful or handy. So we can make question like, what is the meaning of habilis? Habilis means skillful or handy. The Homo habilis humans were short and had long arms. So we can make question like, what are the features of Homo habilis? They had long arms, they had short arms, or they had straight backbones, and they had larger brains than their ancestors. Since they were the first group of humans to use tools made from stone. So which is the first group of humans to use tools made from stone? Answer is Homo habilis. They are also sometimes called the handy man. You can underline this. And they used these tools to tear the meat of dead animals to eat. They lived in parts of Africa from 2 million years to 1.5 million years ago. Over many years, the Homo habilis humans evolved into the Homo erectus. After Homo habilis, they became Homo erectus, and Homo erectus were more advanced than Homo habilis. Homo erectus. Erectus means upright. What is the meaning of erectus? Upright. Humans from this group had straighter backbone than that of the Homo habilis. They were taller and had larger brains, and this is called evolution of humans, becoming more advanced from the older one. This is called evolution. And they were taller and had larger brains than the Homo habilis humans. This was the first group of humans to move out of Africa into Asia and Europe. Homo erectus was the first group of humans to move out of Africa. Like the Homo habilis humans, they too ate the meat of dead animals. However, they used sharper stone tools to tear the meat. The Homo erectus was the first group of humans to make use of fire, possibly created from natural events like lightning or discovered by rubbing two stones together. And which is the first group of humans to use tools? Homo habilis. And which was the first group of humans to use fire? Homo erectus. Next is the Neanderthal man. About 2.6 million years ago, there was a change in the Earth's climate. It became ice cold, and therefore this period is known as the Ice Age. This extreme climate of freezing cold was the reason why the Homo erectus humans could not survive. However, a few of them evolved into a new group of humans called Homo neanderthalensis, and also known as the Neanderthals. They were named after the Neander Valley in Germany. Where is the Neander Valley is located? In Germany. And fossils of Neanderthals or neanderthalensis was found in Germany near Neander Valley. And studies by scientists suggest that Neanderthals lived in the regions of present-day Germany, Britain and parts of Asia. They were also called caveman. Which group of human called caveman? Neanderthals. They were short and had heavy bodies with thick muscles. Here you can see in this picture, heavy body with thick muscles, and they were short, which protected them against the cold. They also had larger brains than the Homo erectus humans. Next is the Neanderthals were the first group of humans to hunt animals instead of eating the meat of dead animals. Which was the first group of humans to hunt animals? Neanderthals. And the first group of humans to use fire, Homo erectus. First group of humans to use tools, Homo habilis. They used different kinds of tools like spears and blades made from stones and animals' bones to hunt animals. They were better at using fire than the Homo erectus as they learned how to control it and keep it burning for a longer time. Neanderthals showed behavior like modern humans, including cooking food over fire, covering their bodies with animal skin and possibly burying dead people. However, Neanderthals suddenly became extinct. Scientists do not know the exact reason why they disappeared altogether. Next paragraph, modern humans. All modern human beings belong to the Homo sapiens species. Modern human beings belong to the Homo sapiens species. And they evolved about 2.6 million years ago in Africa and spread all over the world except Antarctica. This is the continent around the South Pole on which nobody lived for any length of time. The word sapiens means wise. What is the word sapiens means? Wise. Try to make questions from every line. The Homo sapiens are called thus because they are the most intelligent of all human species. Which group of human is most intelligent of all human species? Homo sapiens. And their features, they were taller, less heavy, have larger brains as compared to the previous group of Neanderthals. So in this way you need to study whole chapter properly and read from Did You Know also. What connection could there be between goosebumps and evolution? When we feel cold, we see goosebumps on our skin. This happens because our ancestors had thick hair on their skin which would stand up in the cold weather and protect them from the extreme cold. Now that we have evolved and don't have such thick hair anymore, we see only goosebumps. And read glossary of every block properly and take a look of practice questions also. Don't need to write them again. Only read the question and answer by yourself. And while reading, underline important sentences and try to make questions from every line. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt in the comment section. Take care everyone. God bless. All the best for your exam.